problems. So number one, when you're looking to define problems bigger than you, it's still easy. There's nothing difficult about it. We're still looking for that lack of effectiveness, that lack of access, that lack of supply, that lack of purpose. We're still trying to ask the question of that who, that what, and that where. What I will tell you is when you're trying to identify a problem bigger than you, I would challenge you to lean into the what is the problem and the where is the problem, because the who will change. Depending upon how big your problem gets, there's people that will fill those places and spaces that'll change. But the root of that problem, that what and that where, that's where we can solve a problem. That's where we can provide value over and over and over again. When you know what is causing a problem and where that problem is located, we have the opportunity to build a system. How many times a week can they talk about building a system? We can do that when we know what that problem is and where that problem is. In addition, IPS, very important. When you're trying to solve something bigger than you, I challenge you to lean into selecting a solution. Because you've already gone through so many processes of identifying and prioritizing and selecting your own problems. And you're trying to figure out what I'm going to build my business around, you're going to ask yourself more questions than not. But one problem a lot of us have is we don't execute. We could be in rooms and talk that talk, but we don't never walk nowhere. We walk to our car to come back to another class. We don't end up creating anything. So I would challenge you when you're trying to solve problems bigger than you, lean more on selecting than identifying and prioritizing. Because someone always have something to say about what you select. But if you never select nothing, ain't nobody got nothing to say because you ain't doing nothing. And then last but not least, when you implement, reverse engineering doesn't just apply to your own problems. It applies to other people's problems too.